Yeah. We're camping.
Out in the rain. Is it working?
Yeah.
Is that the right level?
Yep. We got the preview right here.
Yeah.
We don't know where we're going yet, so
We're going. I forget how to say it, right? What do cowboys say? Over a mountain. Over the horizon.
over the horizon. We're gonna get eaten by a bear. That's where we're going.
Yeah.
We're going to an early grave.
It's springtime now. I'm gonna have to fight them off.
For real. Yep. Hopefully the river doesn't flood.
For real. Well, we can just take that trail.
Yeah. This be annoying.
We're currently 200 meters above sea water levels.
Yep.
You know we're still in the valley. Oh, let's go, we can make it. Easy.
Let's hope we can make it tomorrow.
Hopefully we can get back. Our base camp. Sounds like we're freaking climbing Mount Everest.
For real. K2. We're heading off the trail now.
It's all green now. Hopefully we can stay on track and not get lost. If so, a good thing I'm learning Morse code. Even though we don't have the machine code.
Morse code to talk to nobody. Okay. Josh.
Go from now.
Huh? We're going this way instead of that way. Oh. Huh? Landslide, bruh. All those trees are up there.
Oh So should we start climbing right now or what?
You could.
Don't lose her now.
Record my downfall, bro. Can't see nothing.
No.
Yeah, because I think that's the two big mountains right there. And then
Wait, make it point this way, Jeff.
you see it?
See it.
I think I see where we are.
Have orange. What's that way?
So that way might be a cross right
That's
there.
the cross right over there.
And then that's the cliff mountain, huh?
Yeah.
Right.
Cause that's the tall mountain. Here's the
It
thing.
keeps going this way. And we're trying to get like that mountain, I think.
Where we are.
We're straight below us. Okay, go be my freaking thing over here. Oh shit. I forgot how to fly this, man. I forgot how to fly this. Okay.
Go see a bird just try attacking me.
No way.
Oh, he's come back. He just came back.
Oh shit! I'm trying. I don't remember how to fly, man.
Now fly straight on. Here,
Oh shit!
keep going straight.
It'll try to go up. So you gotta grab it, hold it.
Like go down? Then take a little bit.
Just grab it. Oh no, I think we're good.
Wait, make it land.
Our friggin' GoPro died again. I think we found a waterfall. Yup.
This is insane.
Yeah. Not that in. I bought those 500 matches too, Victor bought.
What?
I bought those 500 matches Victor bought too. Let's go to the
You have your compass?
I don't know.
If not, I think I have mine. I think. Who's walking the woods without no compasses? Across the water.
If Escazon is that way, east is that way, right there.
If Sydney's that way, that means home's that way. I'm hoping I'm not soaked. If I am, bruh, I'm just gonna give up. Easy way out.
Respawn. Too far away from spawn.
Afterlife, bruh. It looks like kitty litter. Okay, what's the plan now?
Just gotta find a flattish
Pick
spot.
a nice day for this shit.
Maybe right there.
Show this tree,
Real.
and then that one.
Because this is like the flattest spot here. Because last time we weren't wet, it kind of rained a little bit.
It was a little bit better downpour.
For real. There's thunderstorm.
Look, we're on top of a mountain, bruh. What's that?
I don't know. Let's check the weather, bro.
Or low risk. Sunday, maximum air quality health.
So I think if we cut this down, it'll be fine.
We'll find out right now, bro. Straight up.
I hope. I don't want to use my hatchet, bro, but it's super slippery. You go flying down the hill or flying on you.
I'll end up like your last hatchet.
For real. Oh yeah, it's cleared up a little bit. Trying to see. I'll try to climb one of these trees later.
Good thing for the field. Oh.
Yeah, we can probably pin or something.
You want to take it? And you. You want to right here? So I can bring up. I think so.
Homemade beef jerky. Most meat, yeah.
Midnight.
What's up, vlog? We got some eggs here and crackers. Eric got
Some
Lunchables.
Lunchables. Hell yeah.
I got some more food back here. Yep.
Okay, stay hydrated. Yeah, that big 8 water. Oh yeah.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsor us if we ever get big. Hopefully. Dang, snails got to my hat.
We're leaving the campsite. That's
Right over there in there.
that's where we camped.
Bro.
We're heading down now. What's up, YouTube? The river flooded, like we said. Hopefully the river doesn't flood. We could go around. But we don't want to because we're lazy. We're gonna cross this way. Yep. That was sucking freaking Lord of the Rings type shit. Okay, it's way past my boot, but the rain gear's keeping it in. But the leak in my boot is not helping at all. Yeah, huh? Nope. Except the one with the leak. My rain pants is keeping it in. Or out, I should say. It's at like my knees, bro. We made it, Logan. Huh?
I didn't even get up from that.